Howdy my fellow farmers, this is a building tutorial for a compact 3x3 farm with space for up to 45 planter boxes. Quick note, we have both made our own individual YouTube channels, so if you want to see us playing Rust, go check out both channels, link will be down below. Alright, so first a little tour of the base. Alright, so starting at the entrance we have a little airlock. Going in we have a jump up with furnaces, we have space for a workbench. Then we have the TC room, and we also have a little loot room for boxes. And if we're going over to this door, you can see that this is where the magic happens. This is where the farm itself is. And this is 3x3 with 15 planter boxes and 4 water pumps. Right, heading back to the furnace jump up, we can go upstairs to the second floor. This is same layout as down below, and here we also have 15 planter boxes. There's space for loot boxes and some bedrooms. Heading up to the third floor, and this is where we have some mixing tables, and there's also 15 planter boxes. And if we go to the last jump up, this is your roof access, and that's pretty much it for the entire base. Right, let's get into the building. Okay, starting off with a triangle for the TC. Try to build this as close to the water surface as you can. This will come in handy for the water pumps later. Then expand the TC to your starter base. You can try to come up with your own design for this, but this is just the way that we built the starter base. And closing off the starter base with the jump up to the roof. And here you can also make an airlock. And when your starter base is done, you can start building the farm itself. Here we will use a foundation to place the water pumps. If you want to fit in 4 pumps in one square, you need to put down the water pumps first. So this is going to be the 3x3 layout for 15 planter boxes. And now the first floor is done. And if this is all you need, you can just use this as your farm base. And you also need a power source. This can either be a wind turbine or solar panels. Inside the 3x3 we will have half wall floors all the way around. That way you can fit in 15 planter boxes in a 3x3. And as you can see, you can use the water pumps as a jump up to reach all planter boxes. And for the water and electricity, we're gonna place 4 ceiling lights in each corner of the water pumps, and then in the middle we're gonna place 5 sprinklers. So 1 sprinkler for 3 planter boxes. Use 1 branch for the ceiling lights and 1 branch for each water pump. And then you will connect 4 sprinklers to each water pump. So 1 water pump should only give water to 4 sprinklers. And if we're moving on to the rooftop, you can build 2 more levels that is just the same as the first one. So all levels will be identical to each other. If you're going to use this as your main base, you should definitely go and build some honeycombs all the way around as well to make the base more secure. And also you can add a little space for a minicopter on the rooftop as well. And since this is a farm base, you of course need a farm shop. So you can put a vending machine either at the entrance down below or on the rooftop, as well as the minicopter. And finally we can close off the entire base with a rooftop access that is also an airlock. So this is what the farm base should look like when it's completed. We played a wipe using this exact farm base, and we both made a video on it. Links will be on the screen now if you want to watch it. Also check out our Discord, it's a cool place to hang out for people that enjoys farming.